Hello, and welcome to Lucid Dream Mastery, where we teach you the art of conscious dreaming. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the mild technique, the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. This method is a simple and effective way to start experiencing lucid dreams. Are you tired of constantly waking up from your dreams? Feeling frustrated and disappointed? Well, it's time to take control of your dreams and turn them into the adventure you've always wanted. The mild technique is based on the idea of setting an intention to become aware in your dreams. It's a simple technique that involves a few steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Reality testing. The first step is to perform reality tests throughout the day. This will train your mind to question reality and increase the chances of you doing the same in your dreams. A simple reality test is to ask yourself, am I dreaming? And then checking the surrounding objects or environment. Step 2. Rehearsal. The second step is to rehearse the intention to become aware in your dreams. Repeat to yourself, next time I'm dreaming, I want to become aware and remember that I'm dreaming. It's important to set this intention before going to bed, as well as during the day. Step 3. Recall. The third step is to make it a habit to recall your dreams as soon as you wake up. This will help train your memory and increase the chances of you recognizing when you're dreaming. Step 4. Incubation. Finally, the last step is incubation. This is where you're going to bed, with the intention of becoming aware in your dreams. Before falling asleep, repeat to yourself, next time I'm dreaming, I want to become aware, and remember that I'm dreaming. The mild technique is a simple and effective way to start experiencing lucid dreams. By setting an intention, performing reality tests, rehearsing, recalling your dreams, and incubating, you're increasing your chances of becoming aware in your dreams. Remember, lucid dreaming is a skill that requires practice. The more you practice, the better you'll become at it. So, start applying the mild technique tonight, and see where your dreams take you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lucid dreaming mastery content. Until next time, sweet dreams.